Welcome back to IT Insider. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a barcode in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word. You can use any version, but we'll be using Word 2019 for this tutorial. Once Word is open, create a new blank document. To create barcodes, you'll need a barcode font. One popular free option is ID Automation HC39M. You can download it from the ID Automation website. Let's head to our web browser. In the search field, type ID Automation HC39M and click on the search icon. In the search results, click on the second search result, that is the actual website. Once the website finishes loading, scroll down and click Download. This should download your font. After downloading, install the font by opening the .ttf file and clicking Install. With the font installed, return to Word. Type the text you want to convert into a barcode. For example, type 1234567889. Select the text you just typed, go to the Home tab, and change the font to ID Automation HC39M, or the barcode font you installed. Your text should now appear as a barcode. You can adjust the size of the barcode by changing the font size. Make sure it's large enough to be scanned. You can also add spaces or asterisks before and after the text for better readability by scanners. And that's it! You've successfully created a barcode in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.